How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am doing another recipe nook in my Happynichi planner, and today I am going to share with you my mom's fudge recipe. This is an old-timey fudge recipe, and you aren't going to find that on the internet. So here we go. I am going to be using the Farmhouse sticker book, and I've pulled some, as well as the Gold Star Quotes book, sticker books, and my House of Flynn recipe binder. Basically, this is a traveler's wallet in the Playa collection, my everyday fresh Happynichi, and let's get going. This is under delicacies because it is a sweet. And this is a recipe that you have to master. Honestly, I have made this once. It is not as easy as it seems. It is doable, but you might have to scrap it and start all over from scratch if it gets hard, which I've done. So I guess I've made it twice. Okay, and I wanted to show you this, which is why I stopped pulling the stickers. I find myself doing this several times now because I have several empty sheets of stickers. So even though the sheet isn't empty yet, I find that it's easier to pull my stickers if I just peel off the in-between part and just get rid of it. You can keep it if you want to make a stencil. But then the stickers, I find, peel up much easier, just like butter. Okay? So that is why I stopped peeling stickers, because I really wanted to show you that tip. It works wonders. So, okay, so I pulled 1, 2, 3. And then we need some for the back, of course. And the sticker book is just beautiful. It's very happy. So I thought doing the fudge recipe with this bright and cheery sticker set will be spot on. I think I'm going to do this on the back. This one. Just like this. So let's just go for it. And I'm not going to cut this one. I'm just going to put it on, hopefully, as close to the bottom as humanly possible. Okay, now this one, it's kind of like circular, so I'm going to put the matching one on the very top. In the same fashion. Okay, so that is the back one. All right, let's just get started with top, shall we, of the front of our recipe. I did go ahead and cut this already. Beautiful. Now, I picked this one to be the bottom because that floral part sticks up quite a bit. So I wanted to be sure that I had plenty of space to write my recipes. Or my recipe, rather. My mom would make this like 3 times a year on special occasions. And everybody in the house loved it. Everybody. Okay. I don't skimp on any of the stickers on these recipe sheets at all. The more, the merrier. Especially considering you use these over and over and over and over. And, of course, you know, it's not like you use it for a week and then it's gone. Although there is something special about having your planner just for the one little old week all decked out. Okay, and then I think I want one more nice green piece at the bottom, and this is itty bitty. Well, not itty bitty, Happynichi style itty bitty, but it is small. Now I have green at the top as well as at the bottom. Make sure this is symmetrical. There. Okay, beautiful. I'm liking that. Now we need more for here. Yeah, my mom was an expert on this recipe, that is for sure. And this is very, very finicky. Anyone who makes fudge knows fudge you have to master, really. And it is well worth it. Not for nothing, but that is why fudge is quite pricey at the beach on the boardwalk, you know? So, this is a chocolate fudge. I do like peanut butter fudge too, personally. But I had my girlfriend skip getting it for me last year because I am on a diet, you know, and I would freeze it and partake in it just occasionally because that is just right up there with ice cream. It is a weight gainer. So this is just for, to me, in my life, for special occasions. Very special occasions, occasionally. So, if you want to treat yourself, woo, this is it. And you only need like one piece because it is very rich. gorgeous. I love it. One more? Why not? Why not? You only live once. Use the stickers. Right? Okay. Okay. Now that is my front. That is my back. That again. I might use that as my front. Yep. I'm going to do it again. So I'll put my quote on this side, and then when I go to make this, whenever that will be, I have plenty of room for my picture. Okay. It says, no beauty shines brighter than that of a kind heart. Okay. Slay all day. I'm going to use this one that's left on the book. And I do have one little piece of greenery there as well. Just move it up ever so slightly so I can indulge and use this sticker. Okay. Okay, beauty. There. And the last final touch. Right. Oops. Crooked. Ever so slightly, as it were. Okay. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. So I am going to, I use 2 spaces, 1, 2. Use blue. Not that it matters really, but fudge. Okay, I am happy with that. So I am going to write this out and then I'll be back to show you. Okay, there you have it. So, let me put this in my beautiful recipe planner. Delicacies, of course. This gets front row. Don't mind that. That is a little tear because my mom is no longer with us, so there's that. So this holds a lot of meaning to me, and I can see her when she would make this in my mind's eye. So anyway, that is just fine by me. So Mom's Fudge, I did add that to the top. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of Hershey cocoa, 3/4 of a stick of butter. You must use butter. And what you do is you combine sugar, milk, Hershey, and butter in a large pan on high and stir continuously until the mixture comes to a high boil. Cook until the mixture starts to get thick. Then use your handheld mixer and beat until the fudge starts to set. Quickly pour mixture on butter-coated dish. Fudge will set up fast, so watch the thickness of fudge. You must beat it until it is almost set. You can test the mixture while you are cooking by putting cold water in a cup. I put a cup. And then put a drop of the cooking mixture in a cup. If it becomes a little round ball in the cup without anything floating in cup, it is ready to beat. So this recipe for this fudge is delicious. I love it. It is finicky. It is hard to make, but I highly recommend it. So I've only made it twice. My first run was a no-go. It got too hard, and then right away I tried again, and then I was able to get it. Now, I have never nailed it completely the way my mom used to make it, but there's always tomorrow, right guys? So if you guys like this sort of video and you like fudge or sweets or any recipes, I would appreciate you considering subscribing to my channel. And I thank you ever so kindly for watching, and I hope this encourages you guys to get on the ball and get your recipes from your family. Alright guys, because this means everything. Having this means everything to me. So, this is what it looks like on the front, and then on the back, I have no beauty shines brighter than a kind heart, and then more floral, and then room to put a picture of the fudge once I do make it again. So, thanks again, guys. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Peace.